You got a spicy blend.
Yeah. Nathan's bike check. Nathan's bike check, take 2. Got Eastern Growler frame, Eastern Growler forks, Odyssey bars, ODI long necks, ODI bar ends, Odyssey stem, Odyssey headset, Odyssey 3-piece cranks, 25 to 9 gearing, mongoose back wheel because she likes mongoose, fit front wheel because fit front wheels ride nice, Odyssey pegs, grab your shoes. Nathan's bike check. Oh yeah, he's got a driver as well. That's the beastliness. Blah! Oh yeah, and Odyssey pedals. Yeah. No. Crappy crappy mongoose frame, crappy mongoose. A crappy blooming heavy as hell, not even pivotal seat. Tank, don't even know what it is, it's so cheap, tacky. 59 to 50 million gearing and crappy 1-piece cranks. What?